So, most of it. That's the first people ever look in my oil when I'm boiling it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
We are privileged to be looking in the oil when you're boiling it.
Yeah, yeah, because no one cannot come around here.
No one can come around
Not
here.
in the sun.
Welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. Thank you so much to all our viewers and subscribers for your continued support. Today we show you part 2 of a 2-part video in which you would have spent some time with Mrs. White making castor oil. So please remember to like, share and subscribe and to hit the post notification bell so once we upload a new video you will be notified. So let's get into the video. All right, good morning, Mrs. White.
Good morning.
So this is, how are you doing this morning?
Well, I'm doing fine.
Okay,
Yes.
awesome.
Yes.
So this is day 2. We were here yesterday when I started the process
Yes.
of the castor oil.
Yes. So this is the second part of it.
Yes, so this is day 2. And
Yes.
yesterday when we left, you were beating the nuts in
Yes.
the mortar. So what would you have done since then?
Put on the water on fire this morning,
Yes.
and therefore I throw the oil into it, and it start to boil. So I'm here,
Okay.
turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it
Oh.
up. Keep on turn it up.
Yes. Yes. So that's the mixture that was in the mortar yesterday. It's now
Yes.
in the pot in
Yes.
water.
Yes.
Okay.
So turn it up till it start to boil down.
Okay. So
Uh,
how long does this part of the process take?
Well, you can time it and
Okay.
see how long.
All right,
Because
we're going to
I
time it
have a-
and see.
Yeah. So when time, this is not it, you know. This is not it. This is only boiling. Afterward, I'm going to skim it off. You will hear
Oh.
to see that final part.
Yes.
Skim it off when it go down. And therefore, me have a strainer. See what up on there if you put here when I'm going down to that.
Okay.
So I strain it off now and get the fire in there now and throw in a Dutch pot again. You will all see that when it come to the last part of the process.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
awesome. So for now, we're just boiling.
Yes, I'm boiling.
All right, so we have to wait because it takes some time.
Yeah, it take a good time.
Okay.
That.
So the content in what you mix, yes, because yesterday you did 4 quarts of oil nuts.
Yes.
So it's everything that is in this
It's
pot
everything.
now?
This morning I did want you to come to see how it go down.
Yes.
But up and I did get out of the 4 quart. I
Okay,
beat
so
one
it's
yesterday.
all right. So it's the 4 quarts that's in the water.
4 quart this.
Okay.
In about gallon and a half of water.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. So for a good while, you will see it, all of it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
It's the first time seeing this process, so I am rather excited to see the end, the finished product.
Yes, you will see that
As we all know the castor oil, but
Yes.
never seen it before, you know, being prepared. Yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that is it.
Yes.
And you know that the first time I look after castor oil, when I just started, I didn't get nobody at that time. You see, when me started, you know, says 4 quart of castor oil I boil and it never come out to anything, I had to throw it away.
Oh my, that.
But I didn't wait till it really go down.
Yes.
So I just take it off and I don't see anything and I just throw it away.
Okay.
And then, as I did tell you yesterday, I called that woman and
She taught you how to do it.
yes, yes, yes.
But such is life, you know, because sometimes you pay to learn.
Of course,
You know?
you has to.
Yes.
Has to.
You pay to
Has
learn.
to.
So the important thing is that you did try.
Yes, but it never come out.
Yes. But look pan you now.
Yeah.
Yes.
So first time I was boiling it down, quite down to the last part of it in the pot.
Oh.
So when it go down now, it sort of, you know, it a thin out the pot.
Right.
So one lady come up here and tell me, I was boiling oil, and said, then Miss White, how you do the oil? I said, I'm boiling it down, you know, and then Miss skim it off. He said, no, Miss White, don't do like that. When it go down a little bit, you throw a little bit of water and everything come up like this now, and you skim it off and clarify it. And I do that, and it work.
Okay.
Because if I didn't do that, the pot bottom would gone. Burn out.
It thin out the pot bottom.
Yes.
Okay.
So, most of it. That's the first people ever look in my oil when I'm boiling it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
We are privileged to be looking in the oil when you're boiling it.
Yeah, because no one cannot come around here.
No one can come around here.
Not in the sun.
Wow, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Yes,
Really
yes,
appreciate you showing us this process.
Yes.
Okay.
Me not so strong, you know.
All right, Mrs. White. Chopping the wood again to put under the fire to get it blazing.
Me a young girl, me do everything for myself, you know. Yeah, man. I have to put my foot on the
Yeah, because you don't want it to slip.
That is it.
Wow.
When I hear that thing, would have a power name on you.
Huh? Yes, for real. She could go on one of the money, not true?
Yes.
Wow.
Wow. Yes, man, she's a true heroine.
Working man.
Yes. I can see that, man. She do everything.
Almost. That's gonna reach power and something.
No.
Work.
Yes.
You know, I go back
Wow.
for this morning. You know.
Okay. Ah.
That is it.
Yes. Well done.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a lot of work. It's a
Yeah.
lot of work. I tell you yesterday, I'll never say that castor oil is expensive again. It's more than reasonable.
Yeah.
The work that goes into the process.
Yeah. So when start skim it off.
All right, so you're going to skim it off with that strainer.
Yes, when it go down like a bit more.
Okay.
And turn some water in there. And get it up. Get it up.
Okay.
Again. Bring it up.
Okay.
Get it skim off.
Oh. Okay. Okay, so at this point, when you add the cold water to it, what is happening?
It will carry up. I mean, then me will get to skim it off. It will
Oh.
thin on. Skim it off.
Okay, so you pour the cold water in so that the fat can come up on top.
See it there?
And then you skim it off.
You see it?
Yes.
You see what I'm saying? You see it? All right.
Okay.
So, let me do the butter pan. So, put the butter pan there.
No, you brought it inside.
Watch it. Watch it now. Look, there is a tall spoon in the matter.
Okay, this one.
Yeah,
Yes. Okay. All right.
So, I'm going to take off this now. Strain it through here.
Okay. So you're skimming off everything at the top.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
But if I don't throw the water in it, it'll be too thick.
Oh, I see.
You understand me?
And maybe won't be able to go through the strainer.
That is it.
Okay. I can literally see the grease on top.
Yeah. You see the water?
Yeah, see it there.
So all of this is the fat.
So the fat at the top is just a thin layer.
Yes. If I don't throw the water in it, will lighten, appear mud, me I will get too
Oh,
much mud I go in the oil when you so
okay.
when you do this now and clarify it off.
So there are techniques involved. We have to use particular techniques to get the oil off the top.
Yeah, you have to throw the water in there on the fire.
Yes. And yesterday you did mention that the weather is important when preparing the castor
Yes,
oil.
you cannot get healing, you cannot get that amount of oil coming up.
Yes.
Yes.
You get more oil when you prepare it when the time is hot.
That is it. I'll catch piece of wood now.
Oh, so you're going to catch another fire right here, so.
Feel that direct, you can't get fee.
You're going to pull for.
That is the oil.
So that is what we're going to simmer down now to get it to the castor oil.
Yes. This is the seed when I have a beat. That is the oil.
Yeah.
Yeah. No one sure about this information if I get in my clothes. So that's why when you see me I do my oil up, some people want a little teaspoon of oil. You have to do it good. You have to boil in a clean something. That's you see what I mean?
Yes, yes.
Because you can't put dirty things in your tummy.
All right, that's true.
That is it now. I'm
Okay.
going now to the put on the Dutch pot here. We're not go out now. We're not go walk for cool down a fire so now. If you go put it up here so.
Okay.
So you can step around the door.
Yes, you can put it here, over here.
No, but I'm fractal to get fire like me, man.
Right, so we can just step over it.
Just pass a piece of wood for me.
Sure, no problem. This piece here?
Yes, and a piece of skin.
Okay.
Yes. Dutch pot, but I'm waiting.
All right, so I'm going to just go put down this right here.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Mrs. White. Okay.
Don't get burned, man. Don't stay there. Here is the pot.
Okay.
That is
All
it.
right, perfect.
Yes, so when
Yes.
I'm still skimming out, I can still go in there. Skim it out
Yes.
and throw it in there.
Ah, directly into the pot this time?
Yes.
Okay, good.
I'm still blowing the fire.
Okay.
Smoke high, man. Smoke
Yeah.
high. Well, that one no catch as it. Soon catch up. I
Wow.
mean, not still
You're
pass
good,
around.
right? Yeah, and that's why you explained yesterday, that's why you wear the mask,
Yes,
to get
yes,
off some of the
yes.
smoke some of the time.
Yeah, put it on back.
Yeah.
You see like this now? Everything, every single thing have to suck right out and come down to oil now.
Yeah, so now
You
you're
see all
pouring the
that?
content of the cheese pan
Pan,
into the
the
Dutch
Dutch
pot.
pot.
Right, because
Yeah.
we're going to boil this down to castor oil now.
Yes.
Okay, so if you notice now the castor oil in the Dutch pot has started to boil. You can
Yeah.
see it bubbling to
You
the
can see
side.
the oil. This may I
Yeah.
get out of it. This
Yes,
color.
yes, the brown
Yes.
color to the side.
Okay. When all the water boil out of it.
Yes,
He was,
perfect color.
he was so outside fireman. How you run the smoke so?
Boy, we are trying we grew up in it, so I
Oh, you
guess
grew up in
we
a
grew up in
fire?
it, so
Okay.
yes,
So you're not
man.
bossy about that?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
If gas should have run out for you and you have a little place you can cook.
Yeah, man. We
Okay.
can survive, you know?
Okay, that is it. Some of us are
Yes.
bossy that we not remember so we not.
No, sir, you have to remember where you're coming
No man,
from,
so
or else you have nowhere going. Not
no way,
true?
darling. No way, baby.
Yes. Okay, so we're doing some more skimming now.
Yes.
Yeah. After maybe about another 20 minutes, we are now skimming some more oil off the top.
Yes.
Yeah. And you can see how that in the Dutch pot now is boiling down to oil.
Yes.
Okay. And of course, we are going to place your number on the screen in this video so that
Yes.
anybody who wants to call you to order, they
Yes.
can call you and do so.
Yes. You see how that going down?
Yes.
You see when this go down now, all of this I will go, we just have to take it off and we finish.
Yes.
But this I go,
Continues to boil
yes.
at the
No,
bottom.
Yeah, if me make it over boil, the
Yes.
oil will suck out in the pot.
Okay, okay.
That is pure oil now. This is pure oil.
Pure oil.
Can't get
Okay.
it turned down again.
Yes,
This
yes.
is pure oil.
Right.
Coming up.
Okay.
All right.
And you can see to the side of the pot too, it's forming like a little circle there.
Yes, yes.
Yes, you can see the darkness. Like it,
Yes.
and it looks sticky.
That's why I don't make the oil burn. Because anytime it burn, it too black.
Yes.
The patch.
Right.
Yes.
Lovely. Man.
We are going to take it off now. It's completely finished. Oh, piece of rag. Look one piece of rag. What that shit. Because if that burn me now, I burn, I burn up.
Yeah.
You see, when we take off this now, it going to settle down now, and all these are come from around it.
Okay, okay.
So if anything, we have to take it off now. Take it off, because I don't want the oil to go out. You see what I'm telling you about?
Yes, yes.
You see it?
Yes.
So you wait till it cool down, going down. You will see
Okay.
it. All
So,
those has to skim out of the pot when we're going to put it on this one.
so when you pour off what's at the top, that at the bottom, what happens to it?
Throw it away.
Or you just throw away that part?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You see the oil natural?
Yes, man.
Right, it's
Yeah.
that now. Sometimes we wait till it suck on too long and it suck out the oil.
Yes.
That is it. You get it right through now.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Wow. A complete
How you
process.
feel about that?
Wow, it's a new experience for me. Like I said before, I have never seen this done before.
Okay.
I have a new appreciation for castor oil. I did love it from morning because
Yes.
it's something that I use in my hair all the time.
Yes.
But I have a new appreciation for it. Just
Yes.
watching you and the process.
Yes.
And this process would have lasted for a number of days.
Yes.
Because it starts from the time you start to break it,
Yes.
dry it, wash. I
Pick
mean,
it out.
fan, wash,
pick
you
it
know,
out.
pick it out,
Fan,
dry
wash,
it,
and dry again.
yes,
Take it up. And then you
parch,
start to
beat
parch
it. Yeah,
and
so it's
beat
a
and
very
then
long
come
process.
again.
Yes, and
Yeah.
I'm appreciating the process. I'm appreciating you for
Okay.
doing this. It's a lot of hard work. The smoke is, wow, it's excruciating, the
Yeah.
smoke.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, but
Thank you.
you pull it off. You pull it
Yes,
off.
thank
Really
you.
nice.
Thank you. Thank
You're a
you.
hard worker, Mrs. White.
Okay, thanks.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
And I will always working until I can get any more seed and the plant dead.
So I know that is
Yes,
something that you are going to do.
Yes,
Because
yes.
even yesterday you were explaining that, you know, I plant yam. I have about 700 yam.
Yes, we have
Still.
it. Yes.
Yes. And
So
talking to us this morning and telling us that you still climb tree and all those
yes, we
things
climb tree,
at your
man. But
age.
we have to be careful.
Yes.
When
I
we
think
drop
you
out
shouldn't
of the,
climb any more tree at this stage, Mrs. White.
if we low, me we climb. Prefer the not climb.
Yes, because you climb it
So,
to pick the pimento.
yes, so you see this now, very hot, you know.
Oh,
But you see
wow.
that?
Yes. Wow. Wow. Yes. Oh, my God. Isn't that hot?
Hot, but it don't hot in my hand as that
Oh,
the
because
time.
I do it so quickly. Okay,
What
yes.
is the color of the oil?
Yeah.
You're not
See
looking
if
at
I
it,
can
say
get a
black.
close-up of that. Okay. Wow, nice. Very nice. So that's the oil. And so for this now, so this is the end product.
Yes.
And what you would do now is to wait for it to cool.
Yes,
And then bottle it. Strain it, then
when
bottle.
strain it, but you're not going to strain today.
Right,
Not
because
till
it has to
tomorrow.
cool.
Yes, and the jugs. Maybe you find a little jugs in it.
Yes.
So, good one. Don't watch the blackness of it.
Yes.
This is the color of the oil.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
watch the blackness in the This is the color of it.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and so this would not be bottled until tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Right.
So everything you see, go through that problem. So that is it now. I'm going to skim off that now
Yes.
and scrape out that Dutch pot.
Yes.
Put on the custard there, or we can throw it back in there and it farm up back same way.
Yeah, and the
because it have,
custard you're referring to is that thing, brown looking thing at the bottom of the pot.
Yes.
So you're saying you can scrape that and put it back in this big pot over here.
Yes.
For boiling.
Yes, and it come up like that. So this is this pot.
Right.
All right. Take the piece of stacking up there, give it to me.
Sure.
Please.
All right. Okay. Oop. Okay. Oops, let me just step aside. So.
Yes, it don't well dry as yet. And the oil black in it, you know.
Oh, you had washed
stacking.
it. So.
Yes.
Okay.
So watch it. I'm going to do this. See it? When I do like this now, the jugs don't come out of it.
Okay.
So we did have one like a cup. Go and take it out and throw it in there.
All right.
So I'm going to use this to take up the oil.
Yes.
So there.
Wow, look at that. Beautiful.
You see, so when in the pot and it look black like that.
Yes, it's not as dark. It just
No.
look like that in the pot.
See, so if I don't strain it off, I'll lose everything will go over in there.
Yes. It has a much lighter color now that
See?
you're pouring it off.
Yes. So you say I'll lose something in there.
Particles from the nuts that would have been beaten.
Yes, from the wrong in there.
Yes.
I just don't want to see no water.
Yes.
Don't want to see no water in it.
Which means that you would have gotten a good yield today.
Yes, 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 yes. Because this water I'm
This is
showing off,
perfect.
it look like a quart.
Right.
So watch it. See it? You don't see no water, drugs like.
Ah,
You
it's
see it?
pure oil.
Ah, that is it. You see it?
Yeah, man.
No water,
Perfect.
so I don't have to put it on back on the fire.
Yes.
You see it?
Yes.
That is pure oil coming from it.
Nice, nice. Nicely done, Mrs. White.
Yes, that is the last part of it.
Yes.
So thank you for watching.
Yes. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Likkle Everyting Jamaican, where we
Yes.
bring you authentic Jamaican items, or at least try to.
Yes.
So
yes.
blessed love, everybody.
Blessed love. Thank you for watching. So I'm going to scrape out this, throw back in that pot because we have a little more oil in there. So I'm going to put on this.
Okay,
when
so
that
Mrs. White, before you go, remove the stocking so we can at least see it in the pot now.
Wow.
Nice. Look at that.
Wow. Wow.
Yes.
That is it.
So this just needs to be cooled and bottled now. And then you can use it for whatever purposes you wish. Whether you want to put it in your hair.
Yes.
Or you want to use a little teaspoon, you said, for constipation.
Yes.
Right? And some
And
people
some
use
can
it to
rub
rub the pain.
Yes. All right.
Yes.
That
So
is
all
it.
it
And you
needs
rub
is
it,
cooling
use it
and
here.
bottling.
Yes, use it in your hair for the hair skull.
Yes.
Don't like what? Something they come up in your hair, fungus.
Oh, you said fungus, dandruff and dry scalp and those things.
After you use this, you don't
Yes.
get those things in your hair no more.
Anymore.
All right.
Yes, and this little bit of castor oil going straight to England.
Yes, anybody call me because I sent 2 floss and the person tell me that is England it going.
Yes, yes.
So that is it.
Awesome.
So you don't look at it when it's in the pot like it black.
But it's not as dark. It just looks like that.
That is it. So come to on the end.
Yeah, so the process, yeah.
Yes, and if you want to see any more thing, I don't know.
You know, no, there's nothing else to show.
No, because the same product that we're going to show
Is
what I show you.
You're going to just repeat it right now to get another batch of oil.
Yes.
So, Mrs. White, thank you so much for inviting us into your home to watch you complete an entire process of making castor oil. Like I say, I have a new appreciation for it. I appreciate you. You're such a hard worker because throughout the smoke, you know, see me here, I can hardly talk now because the smoke is stifling. But thank you so much. I really do appreciate you, you know.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes.
It has certainly been a pleasure being here.
Yes.